happening to the Kringle community all over the world? You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Holonulu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. Guys, this is another wonderful opportunity to earn both TBC and also KLUV. And don't forget, there was a contest last year, December, and the overall winner went home with $1,000 worth of Bitcoin Cash. Guys, this is another great opportunity to earn in KLUV. The Billion Coin, February KLUV context plus guaranteed payout. Guys, don't forget that as from next month, March, all TVtions will be paying their program fee in KLUV crypto. Guys, February contest. Now, this is another opportunity for as many of us to key into. Winners will receive dollars in KLUV. The first prize goes for $100, second prize 90, third prize $80, fourth prize $70, fifth prize $60, sixth prize $50, seventh prize $40, eighth prize $30, ninth prize $20, and tenth prize $10. Guys, there will be 10 winners in the February KLUV contest, and only ties in the 10th place will split the winning. So, guys, this is a paid personal referral contest, and old, new, and annual payers are counted. Plus, anyone with 100 or more paid personal referrals will get $1,000 guaranteed and unlimited payout in KLUV in early March. Guys, this is another wonderful opportunity to key into. The first 10 people to have the highest numbers of paid referrals are entitled to this wonderful context to benefit from this context. So, guys, let's get work done. The ball is rolling already. Within this month of March, for as many of our referrals that can renew their account and pay their program fee, give us a better chance to earn any of the first to 10 positions. So, guys, the ball is on our court. Let's do it. Let's do it again. So, to all divisions watching right now, go and renew your account. Go and pay your program fee. Get activated. It is well with you. Thank you, guys. Till I come your way next time. Don't forget, next year, January 12th, we will be having access to our KLUV. Access to it, guys, because the admin will be releasing the KLUV onto the core team members, the consistent and the faithful core team members. So, guys, join us. Be among the core team members. Thank you very much. Love you. Don't forget, share and like this podcast.